Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking how deep the dock rash goes and marking its limits so you work only on affected fiberglass or gel coat. Once done, gather epoxy, marine filler, abrasive pads, masking tape, and solvent. This prevents delays mid-repair. Now clean the spot thoroughly. Salt and dirt stop adhesion. Make sure to remove any loose flakes with a scraper and dry the area. This sets a reliable foundation. If you skip cleaning, fillers won't bond, and the repair will fail prematurely. You mix the epoxy or marine filler precisely. Ratios matter for cure speed and strength. Then apply thin passes so each layer cures solidly. Thick fills trap solvents and crack. Once a layer is cured, sand with 80 or 120 grit to shape the profile. This controls bulk and prevents oversanding into good material. After the final build, feather the edges so the transition is invisible. Then finish with 320 grit to remove scratches and prepare for priming or polish. You seal the repair with a matching gel coat or primer and allow full cure. This restores UV protection and color. Once cured, wet sand progressively from 800 up to 2000 grit to remove orange peel, then use marine polish to bring back gloss. Make sure to clean between grits to see progress. If the patch lifts or shows pinholes, stop, strip the area back to sound material, reclean with solvent, and repeat the build, because poor adhesion is usually contamination or trapped moisture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.